night, mostly cloudy. Rain. This is the National Weather Service in Morristown, Tennessee. The preceding signal was a test of NOAA weather radio station WXK-48, broadcasting from Signal Mountain, near Chattanooga, Tennessee. During potentially dangerous weather situations, this broadcast will send a signal to activate weather radios in the threatened area. These radios may be activated for other non-weather emergencies as well, such as hazardous chemical spills and Amber alerts. The weather radio alerting system is tested weekly, with the tests normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is an ongoing weather event, the test may be postponed to the next available good weather day. The reception of this broadcast can be degraded for one or more of the following reasons. Your radio is located 30 or more miles from the broadcast antenna, or the signal is partially blocked by hills or buildings. If your radio is not reacting to this test, or the voice on the radio is not clear, you can try relocating the radio to another room. You need to ensure your weather radio gets a good signal so it will activate during threatening weather events. In Tennessee, Bledsoe, Bradley, Hamilton, Marion, McMinn, Meigs, Monroe, Polk, Ray, Roane, and Sequatchie. In Georgia, Catoosa, Chattooga, Dade, Gordon, Murray, Walker, and Whitfield.
The following is a routine weekly test. This is a test of the new weather radio warning alarm device and emergency alert system. During potentially dangerous weather situations and civil emergencies, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending danger. A test of these receivers is conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, weather permitting. In the event of the test being canceled, it will then be rescheduled for the next day between 11 a.m. and noon. This is NOAA weather radio station WXK-51, operating 24 hours a day on the frequency of 162.40 megahertz, with transmitting facilities in Putnam County. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service office located in Nashville. This service is provided in part by the Metropolitan National Office of Emergency Management. Repeating, this has been a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending danger. The alarm will be activated for severe weather watches and warnings or civil emergencies affecting the Middle Tennessee counties of Clay, Cumberland, Gap, Bentonville, Jackson, Overton, Dade, Putnam, Smith, Van Buren, and Warren. This was the test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm device and emergency alert system. We now return to its regular programming.